In this YouTube video, we'll explore some amazing online graphic design editors that offer free plans packed with features comparable to, or even surpassing, Canva's capabilities. However, keep in mind that the online tools landscape may evolve, so it's essential to check the current features and limitations of each option. Let's dive in and discover these fantastic alternatives. Designer. It has many templates, pictures, and design stuff. You can make social media graphics and other things easily. Crello. It has a big library of templates, pictures, and videos. Good for making social media graphics and animations. Snappa. Great for making attractive social media posts, ads, and more. It has lots of templates and photos. Pixlr. It's an advanced photo editor for web and mobile. You can edit images and make cool graphics. Vector. Use it for creating logos, icons, and illustrations. It's for making designs that can be resized without losing quality. PhotoJet. Offers templates for photo editing, collages, and social media graphics. Be Funky. Easy to use photo editor with various effects, filters, and templates. Gravit Designer. A powerful tool for more experienced designers who work with vectors. Remember, some free plans may have limitations or watermarks, so always check before using. Explore each tool to find the best one for your needs and style.